Hallo, liebe Leute. Let's take a look at your exercise nach der Party. Ja, so Victor hat ein Geburtstagparty. Ja, und hier sind ein paar Fotos. So, first of all, we need to kind of take a look and see what they did at the party. Do you remember the words for these things? They gave you an example here. Die Jugendlichen spielen Karten. Ja. Die Jugendlichen, the youth, the young people. So sie spielen Karten. Was noch? Let's start at the beginning. Sie tanzen. Ja, sie tanzen. Also sie kochen Spaghetti. Ja. Und this one you might not know. Ja. Also sie packen Geschenke aus. Ja. Geschenke, presents, that's going to be one of the words in the dialogue we're getting ready to read. And auspacken is to open, to unpack. Yeah, auspacken, literally to pack out. Yeah. So sie packen die die Geschenke aus. Yeah. So that's what they were doing at the party. Yeah. Und jetzt haben wir ein Drama. Yeah, so just a little bit of discussion between Sophie and Alexandra about this party and what happened. So your job is to listen to the audio clip and then answer the questions. Make sure you give it an attempt before you check answers with me. As always, or as most of the time, if you're not really sure, I always recommend that you listen once without the script. But if you need the script, you can scroll down and there's the script. Okay? It really helps your listening ability to read the script as you listen to the audio. It helps you to recognize words better. Okay. So here are our 4 questions. Let's see what we can do. Let's see if we can answer them. Alexandra war nicht auf der Party. Wo war sie und warum? Pull this up on my other screen down here too while I'm thinking of it. There we go. Okay, also wo war denn Alexandra? Alexandra war nicht auf der Party. Sie war im Bett. Ja, sie hatte Bauchschmerzen. We got a little hint of that from previous exercises. Yeah, sie hatte Bauchschmerzen. She had tummy aches. Yeah, Bauchschmerzen. Okay, so sie war im Bett. B, was haben die Schüler gekocht? Also die Schüler haben Spaghetti mit Tomatensauce gekocht. Yeah, natürlich. Also this book kind of has a thing about people making spaghetti, but I mean it is easy to cook. And I'd be lying to you if I said that Germans didn't eat a lot of pasta in general. Italian food is very popular in Germany. Pasta and pizza, yeah, lots of it. Okay, also sie haben Spaghetti gekocht. C, wann war die Party vorbei? Vorbei, when was it over? Also die Party war vorbei 11 Uhr. Ja, 11 Uhr. Und dann D, wen mag Alexandra? Also wen, what is wen? It looks a little bit like Dane, like dare changes to Dane, and it is kind of the same thing. Wer, who, changes to vain, whom. Yeah, whom does Alexandra like? Whom does Alexandra like? Alexandra mag Jens. Yeah, this is the problem. Remember, Jens got kissed by somebody? Yeah, and Alexandra mag Jens, and Alexandra was not the one doing the kissing. Yeah, also, so one last thing, guys. Maybe you noticed, that we're dabbling a bit here in the past tense. So, wo war Alexandra? Where was she? Was haben die Schüler gekocht? What have the students cooked would be one way to translate it. What did the students cook? What have the students cooked? Same thing. There's only one past tense in German. Okay, so as you're listening to this, yeah, you might start to notice some past tense. Also Geschicht, gemacht, ausgepackt, gekocht. Also there's a lot of them in there. Getanzt. Yeah, past tense is our big thing in this chapter. It's coming up. All right, das ist alles. Tschüss.